I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. We're out picking a few melons today. I have several different varieties growing in this garden, and they're not all exactly the same as far as determining the ripeness of the melon. This particular melon is, I call it Round Valley, but it's closely related to Crenshaws, casabas, that sort of thing. And most of those melons are kind of a teardrop shape and sort of yellowish when they're ripe. But unlike the cantaloupe, if you wait till the stem will slip, they've already begun to rot. So this type of melon, again, this would be like a Crenshaw or a casaba, countless others, but they're similar in appearance. You want to push the end of it. And this one here, the end is starting to get a little soft, maybe about, like the end of your nose or just a little firmer. So these here I would cut off with a sharp tool. And that one's ready. We'll let it set, maybe soften up a little bit more. Now these type of melons, you can pick them just a little bit greener and bring them inside. Here's one here that hasn't really developed a lot of color, but you can feel the end, the blossom end, is starting to get soft. So this one here, if we want to, we can cut that off. We can take it in, set it on the kitchen counter till the end is soft, and it'll be pretty darn sweet. Now if we leave these on till they slip easily from the vine, like a cantaloupe would, you can see here's one that slips away from the vine quite nicely. But you turn it over and it's just begun to rot already. So that's the difference with this type of melon when you're out there determining what's ready to pick and what isn't.